How to make a safe and non-toxic weed killer for a brick patio. No matter how tightly bricks are placed together in the brick patio, weeds and grass can eventually find their way through the cracks. Dozens of herbicides are readily available at any gardening supply store, but they may contain ingredients hazardous to humans, animals and the environment. Common household ingredients can make a natural and inexpensive weed killer for a brick patio. Best of all, the ingredients are non-toxic in the case of human or animal consumption. Things you will need: weed trimmer, garden sprayer, white vinegar, salt. Cut the weeds with a weed trimmer. Cut as close to the surface of the brick patio as possible. Fill the tank of a garden sprayer with undiluted white vinegar. If a garden sprayer is not available, you can use a spray bottle, but it takes more time and labor. Spray the problem areas of the brick patio with the vinegar. The weeds must be completely soaked in vinegar for the vinegar to be effective. Keep an eye on the brick in the following weeks. Continue to apply vinegar as often as necessary. Sprinkle a thin layer of salt over the problem areas, if the vinegar does not control the problem after 3 or 4 attempts. Keep in mind, however, that salt robs the soil of nutrients and may prevent new plant growth for several years. As long as you intend to keep the brick patio in place, salt is a viable option.